Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I made Lord Jagannath, Subhadra and Balram. I used clay to make this. Actually, it was first time that I used clay and that's why it was very interesting to me. So you can see I followed a very simple structure. Actually, I was a bit nervous while I was making this. As I said, it was the first time for me. So before I made a few crafts using wall putty like this pen stand, this small Ganesha, and these two video links are in the description. You can check out from there. So now it's time to paint it white. So guys, the video is already more than 6 minutes and I don't want to extend it anymore. So you will see the coloring and decoration of this craft in the next part of this video. So that is it for today guys, and I shall upload the next part of this video very soon. So please wait for the next part, and if you like this video then hit the like button, and if you don't subscribe this channel then please do subscribe. I shall meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching.